According to sources, the police are trying to suppress the video scandal, whereas the report has been presented to the caretaker Chief Minister of Punjab. Three officers, including the university's Director of Finance Dr. Abujar, Chief Security Officer Syed Ejaz Shah, and the Transport Officer Altaf. However, the university administration termed the arrest of three officers a conspiracy against the university. The report, which was sent to the caretaker Chief Minister, revealed that hundreds of student videos and 8 grams of ice drug were recovered from Ejaz Shah's possession. On the other side, DPO Abbas Shah challenged the Islamia University allegations. He said that it was revealed that 113 drug addict students are in the university and there is prejudice against any institute. The DPO further said that the police's target is drug dealers, not universities, and the police will expose them to stop the drug addiction in institutes.